We can break apart to hear me if I seem a little unimpressed with this. An antisocial pessimist, but usually I don't mess with this.
What's going on, guys? Tiger here, the most active YouTuber, and welcome back to another Minecraft video. I'm finally back from my trip from Mars, and before I continue on with the video, I just want to thank everyone who has stuck around for this long. I've been super busy with college and in real life things lately, but I finally found the time to make a video again and start recording. The IP for the server will be down in the description below if you want to come join me. And with that being said, I hope you all enjoy my PvP skills right here, and I'll see you guys all in my next video, which hopefully will not be another 5 months. Thank you. Bye-bye. Alright everybody, so when you first join in the server, you'll spawn here at this little area. You can see that all the crates are behind you, so like these are all the donator crates. I know a lot of people are wondering like which crates are the best, but personally I just think you might as well just buy legendary crates, because like these crates are good for getting money and stuff like that, but it's not really going to last you in the long term. So if you're about to get some keys, you might as well get legendary keys, because like look at all this great stuff that you can get here. And like these 3 things right here are just really good, because like even if you get duplicates, you can give them to your faction members. So like might as well get some of those. And then I've never really gotten any perk keys, so I'm not sure how great these are, but I do have this 20 set homes. I think I won that, or I won 2 keys from the legendary chest, which gave me those. But I don't really think those perk keys are worth it. I'm not sure, never tried it. The rest of the spawn, there's not really that much here, I guess. There's just some spawners on this side, which I never go to. And oh, and like after you finish voting, you can use your /warp vote, and then you'll come to like this little vote chest here faster. If you guys were wondering where that crate is, because I know some people always can't find it. We got a tinker and everything. I don't even know why these villagers are white from here too. If anyone can tell me why, that'd be great. Like I don't know why I can see them through blocks either. I don't know, maybe hack client, but yeah, who knows. So now if we go to /p home, so this is going to be my base. My party is actually called Dream. Here is the current party. We have, all these people in it, 28 members. Everyone's really great. We have 15 bands too, because, people are annoying sometimes. But if we do /p home, we will spawn right here. And then now we can just walk around. So, I kind of made this, like, setup in here. I don't know why. I just started doing some random stuff. But here are the rules of our party. So when you come, the first thing you will see is just our huge, like ginormous amounts of farms and everything like that. We have people's houses everywhere, but the main thing that we want to look at right now is this right here. So we just built this sign that says Dream. I think it looks really nice, but if we can get someone to light it up, which we should be able to in just a second. Okay everyone, so here we go. The sign is now booted up. Now let's just give it a minute. And look at that. I don't know, I love this design so much. Like it kind of makes me lag a little bit, which is the only like downside of doing something like this. But I think it just looks really nice, kind of nice little aesthetic addition to the island. But of course, we're not going to leave it on all the time, otherwise the island would probably be pretty laggy. So that's that sign. Okay, you can turn it off now. So there we go. That's that. Over here we have our iron golem farm. I think we have around like 40 iron golems right now, which isn't bad. But we're always trying to get more every single day. What did they put here? Mad bro, yes, very. Alright, I don't know who put that there. Over here we have our giant cow farm. Yeah, cow farm. For some reason I couldn't think of what this was. But it was made by Galaxy Pikachu. I think it looks really great. I don't even know if it's actually working. Is it working or not? Like, okay, yeah, it is working. And then all the cows fall down there, which is pretty cool. We have our creeper spawners and zombie spawners over here, which is also pretty nice. On this side, so this is our huge sugarcane farm. Right now it's not really too efficient, just because like it's just too big to AFK, so like who the heck is gonna AFK this? But this was all built by hand. Took a really long time, and it's not really even like efficient or anything like that. It's not even effective at all. Okay guys, so down here is our ginormous sugarcane farm. Ginormous, I don't know why I said that. But as you can see, so all the cactus from the top falls down into these water streams, and then they get led into some of these chests over here. Over here, we can see that there's just a bunch of miniature cactus farms over here. So these are the farms that we started out with, and then we started making that bigger one earlier. Dude, FPS lag much? Oh my god, dude, are they not going to turn off the sign? Hold on, guys, I'm going to turn off the sign really quick. Is this thing off? It's not. Give me that, dude. There we go. So we turn that off now, but all these cactus farms, the cactus will fall into those chests down there, and then we can sell those. I think cactus farms are probably the best way to make some money right now, because these farms have been giving us like tons of money. Like if I AFK these 3 farms and that big one for like maybe an hour or 2 hours, I can probably make at least a couple million, or maybe 1 million at most. I mean, not at most, 1 million at least. Yeah. Anyways, we have our giant temple over here, some like, I don't know, cool place to chill, I guess. I think Keely's is making this right now. I think it's going to be his house actually, but it's going to look really nice soon once we connect that to the island and everything like that. That's basically it for this giant island. Oh, except for that's the skeleton spawner, which is nothing special, but this is our blaze grinder, our main blaze grinder. So this blaze grinder has, I think, like 3 stacks blazes in it. I'm not sure, 3 to 4. I think that's our majority of blazes, because that's like the nicest grinder. Down here we have another dream sign, you know, that just says dream, which is also pretty cool. But you know, it's actually just like that one, and they light up and everything like that, but we don't want to turn it on. So you know, otherwise there's just gonna be some lag issues. This tunnel right here, it just brings you all the way into this house right here. So this is kind of what we call our headquarter area. We have some really nice stuff in there. I'll show you guys in a second. But if we just fly around, so we cut this mountain entirely, like we cut it straight in half, and then we just shoved glass all over it to make it like look like a place to live, you know. And then over here we have our blaze grinder again, which has probably 3-4 stacks of I mean blazes, because yeah, I think we have a total of like 7 or 8 stacks now, which is also pretty cool. Down here, or just all the way over here, isolated by itself, is Diana's house, which is kind of funny. We'll just leave that alone for now. So if we go inside the house now, because I'm pretty sure some of you guys might want to see what's inside. Should I just go through? Alright, I'm not going to go this way. We'll just go through from here. So I'm going to take the F1 off. So if we go up here, so these are just little cubicles that people can sit in. It's also kind of like a nice place to just chill. What's up? And over here we have like our desk areas, I guess your information area for when you walk in, because this is kind of like an office space. I think that's what the theme that we were going for. Can I get, oh my god dude, speed and like going through doors just do not work together. So this is a Dream Inc. This is our house. So this is actually the main light switch. So if I flick that off, all the lights will turn off. See? And then now if I go back inside and I flick this lever again, then all the lights should turn back on. There we go. So I think that's actually a really cool addition that Happy made. This is actually a really nice piano, by the way, too, that one of our friends made. Who was it? It was Laverne. So yeah, thank you for making that piano. It looks great. Over here we just have a bunch of houses. You know, we have some different people's rooms and all that stuff, but some people haven't made theirs yet. I don't know why. I guess they don't have time. Over down there is just some more rooms, so there's nothing really much down there either. And we have like a little pond area right here with a giant sword sticking out of the mountain. And yeah, that's basically it. I think that's the majority of our island. We don't really have much. That's mostly it. Just trying to think of if there's anything I've missed. Oh, I mean, I guess down here we can look into Cyborg's house for no apparent reason, but down here, what do we have? A nice little enchantment room. I don't know what this area is going to be yet. Cool though. And then just a bunch of cows for no reason either. So I think that is the end of our island tour. That's all we had. That's like the majority of our stuff. So the main way that we make money is through iron golem spawners, cactus farms, and our blaze spawners. So like if you just get a nice little cactus farm set up, and then maybe get like a nice little blaze grinder set up with like 10 blazes, you should be set, because you can make a ton of freaking money selling blaze rods. So like if I come over here and let's just kill a couple blazes really quick, and then we can see how fast my inventory fills up. Like here I can just go back and forth. There we go. And then now if I look at my inventory, oh wait, well, I didn't even have an open inventory, but I mean, you guys get the idea. It fills up really fast. And then you can buy like a lot of enchants and stuff, and sell the books too, because I know a lot of people like to buy books. That's what I've been doing lately to make a bunch of money. That's also a really nice thing to do. So that is the end of the island tour. Hope you all enjoyed. Make sure to drop a like and subscribe if you are new to the channel. There should be some new videos coming out in the future. I actually just, like I said, I got a new recording software and it's really great, so I'm really happy about it. Shout out to I think his name's like Kohidix. from one of the parties that gave me this recording software called Camtasia. It's great. And make sure to comment down below if you guys want me to record anything. Like if you guys want me to record myself killing a boss or something like that, or if you guys want me to record something else. This server link or IP will be in the description below if you want to come join. This is the survival game. So before I end the video, I just want to announce that I'll be giving away 3 iron golem spawners. All you have to do to win is like the video, make sure to be subscribed, and comment your name down below. And I will announce the giveaway winners on the next video. I'll see you guys later. Peace out.